So y'all, lately I've been just freezing, okay? My scalp has been cold, and I've been looking at my mail. I'm like, there's no mail, no hair review. And I went inside my room and I saw a package for me. I said, God, you answered my prayer. T'es écoute. T'es écoute. You know, you listen to me. And this package made me happy. I was so happy when I saw this package. I was like, oh my gosh, my hair gets to be warm. So with this package, I'm gonna say thank you for sending me this package. Thank you for sending me this hair, because your girl will no longer be cold. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, please thumbs up, subscribe, and click that notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post a video. So today's video is all about the hair. It's all about the hair. It's all about the hair. It's all about the hair. We about to grow hair. I was sent another package by a company called Stamps Beauty. They sent me this lovely Swiss slick top lace wig, baby. Yes. Now if you've seen my previous video on Stamps Beauty, the first wig that they sent me, I wasn't so happy. I mean, it was cute. It was cute, it really was, but it was just too much hair, so I wasn't able to wear it out. I'm still working on the hair. I think I'm gonna straighten the hair, and I might straighten it on here for you guys to see the before and after. It said that you can heat it up, so it hasn't been, you know, burning or anything, but I'm gonna straighten the hair, and well, I started, but I'm gonna finish straightening it up and put the video up for you guys to see the before and after. So this video, I was so happy when they sent me this wig. It's a whole different style, but it's by the same brand, I'm guessing. It's their Swiss lace slick top, and it's fresh out the box, baby. We about to get this fresh out the box, okay? We did some peeking when it came out, but this is gonna be fresh out the box. So it looks like this. I'm very excited to try this out, cause your girl needs to start growing her hair back, okay? And we're gonna take this out. It's irrelevant. And it looks really cute. Oh my gosh, this is cute. This is really cute. And it comes with a little comb in the back. The first time you guys saw me review the first wig that they sent me, I didn't have a lot of hair, but this comb, we got a little bit of hair, so we can pin it up there. For my new viewers, if you hear noise in the back, my subscribers already know this, okay? Noise in the back equals family home, so I can't really do nothing about it, but we just gotta work with it, you know? We gotta work with it. So this lace front, I should get a wig cap, but most of the time I don't like wearing wig cap because I get hot underneath my wigs. This is how the wig look like. It's a middle part. We're gonna have to flatten this out. First impression, this wig needs to be flattened down, I'll tell you that. I love the curls, the little curl. I look like a whole different person with hair on. This is my baby. This is my everything, okay? She's with me through it all. We do a lot of things together. She's gonna help me cut this lace front right here off. And we're gonna see if this is a hit or a miss. About to. Look at you, famous. Always be in the videos. Come to death row.
Don't want to have to worry about the executive producer trying to be all in the video, all on the record. Dancing. Come to death row.
Girl, look at you, girl, look at you. Yes, shake the back of it. Yes, yes. Let me take a selfie with you real quick, cause I feel like we about to be looking cute with you. Girl, let's take a selfie. We looking cute. We looking mad cute, y'all. We looking mad cute. Yes. So you see that hump, that bump on at the top? We're gonna have to fix that. I'm gonna get a hot iron and I'm gonna make that flat, because it's not cute when your hair is like, woof. Go tell it on the mountain. We don't want the mountain on top of our head. We want the mountain to be an actual mountain. So we're gonna get a flat iron and smooth this down. So we changed shirt. Hopefully I'm not as hot as I was before. Honestly, don't feel like gluing this down. Not gluing it down, but like gelling it down with Got To Be gel. So I'm gonna just gel it down. I'm gonna do the baby hair with my black gel. I mean, the wig is not gonna go anywhere, and I know that for sure because I did it.
Two hours later.
We looking like somebody new. Who is this? Yes, baby girl. You looking like somebody different. Oh my gosh. Who are you? Who are you? Oh my goodness. Who am I? I know this is not me. Is this me? Ça c'est moi. Ça c'est moi. But yes, this is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I really like this wig. This is by far the best wig I received from Sam's Beauty. And you guys know I have like wig problems. If I don't make it, I feel like when I wear something that's already... Oh my gosh, my earrings came off. Oh well. If I make something that's already made into a wig, I sometimes struggle into making it into my liking. But this wig, I will have to say this wig is amazing. I really do. I like it. It's beautiful. It's full, slicky. I still got to work with this part, but I just didn't feel like Got To Be gluing it down. Got To Be gelling it down. I didn't feel like doing that. But this wig is really nice. I love how the texture feels. It feels so slicky. Oh my goodness, it's very slicky. I'm not gonna lie. This is very, very slicky. The curls are not too much, but it's just enough. I love this. I feel like I'm gonna wear this for the week. This is like bomb. This is good hair. This is great style. If you guys saw my other wig tutorial or review, you notice how big the hair was, and that was my biggest problem. The curls were not the same as the front, but that wig was beautiful. It just wasn't my liking. This one, baby girl. You said what? What? This hair is amazing. I love it. I love this hair. It feels so natural too. Like, I feel like if I was to have hair and I, you know, blew my natural hair out, it will feel just like this. Whew. Yes, so we're gonna Pocahontas it. Is that a word? Pocahontas it. But yes, I love it. And as you guys saw that I did try to put flat iron on this, and yes, it does. You can flat iron this. You just have to make sure that it's not over 400. I would say the highest you can put a flat iron is 375. Or maybe lower than that. I wouldn't suggest you to put it higher than 330, but yeah, I like this wig. This is a cute wig. I really, really do like it. I would highly recommend you guys to give this wig a try. I am going to say that the only problem that you will witness about the hair is trying to get the lace, you know, flat. This to be flat, because I had to put hot iron on this to get this flat. That was a struggle. That was a struggle. I'm looking at myself. I'm like, yeah, it was a struggle. But as far as the wig, the hair itself, I really like it. I'll leave the information down below for you to check them out. All the videos that I've done with Sam's Beauty, I gave you guys my honest opinion. This one is a hit, and I highly recommend you guys to give this a try. It's winter. I mean, you need to slay yourself together for the winter. Protective styling is a must. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys like this video. I'll leave all the information down below. If this is your first time, please like, subscribe, thumbs up this video. If you are a returning subscriber, thumbs up, leave a beautiful comment so I will know that you are my peoples, that y'all are my peoples, y'all support me. With that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.